Welcome to the course on pricing metrics. Pricing metrics are amazingly powerful. You could even think of this as your pricing model. How do you decide what model you want to use? Most companies make a decision by default, or they have a random decision that they've made with a committee. They haven't really thought through the process. But when you get your pricing metric right, it can make up for lots of other mistakes. Having the right pricing metric helps you win customers up front. It helps it so the customers are willing to stay with you. But probably the most important thing about getting a pricing metric right is as customers get more and more value from your product, they pay you more and more money. Now, pricing metrics aren't easy to do. It's not easy to get it right, but we're going to give you a 7-step process that you can walk through with exercises. And when you get to the very end, you'll have brainstormed a ton of potentially effective pricing metrics. And especially you'll have the ability to evaluate them and say which one or which ones of these make the most sense for our business. This is a powerful class designed to give you a solution that will make your company more profitable and grow more quickly. I can't wait to see you in the course.